Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add someone with the task access in a Facebook page. So let's go to your Facebook page first. Now you have to click on this professional dashboard. Then scroll down and you'll find here page access. Click on this. Now you have to click on, you can see here people with task access. You have to click on add new, click on next. Now you have to find a name or the profile you want to give the access. Now you can enable anything you want. What you enable, he will be able to moderate or he will be able to operate this system. Like if you uh, give access to content, he will be only able to content update and content moderation. But if you give him to access to manage messages and calls, he'll be able to messages and calls. Okay, so after that you have to click on give access. Then you have to put here your Facebook password, then confirm. After that you can see that invitation has been sent to that specific person. If he accept, then he can able to access the task. Okay, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.